So today we're going to learn how to download Metamask onto a mobile device. I'm using an Apple device. So we're going to go to the App Store. Once in the App Store, I want to search. In the search bar, I'm going to type in Metamask. It's with a K. I don't want to select anything that pops up. I'm just going to hit the search button. And I do not want to choose the ad that pops up first. The best way to tell you're using the official Metamask is you can see the stars and see that it's got 41,000 reviews. So that's a pretty sure bet that that's the correct one. If you scroll on down, there's multiple wallets, but what we want to do is use Metamask. And you'll notice that's why I don't use the ad at the top, is because it changes. So I want to make sure I'm using the real one. That's very important. So we're going to download it. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open it. And simple as that, it's going to walk us through what we need to do to get started. So we're going to hit get started. And this is where we're going to want to create a new wallet. The import using secret recovery phrase is if you was to lose a phone and need to recover your wallet. So what we want to do is create a new wallet. It's going to give you some information here that you want to read very promptly. Make sure you pay attention to the ones with the red X's, especially the one that talks about not sharing your seed phrase. So your seed phrase is 12 words. That's going to be your cryptic keys to gain access to your wallet. Like if you was to lose your phone or something, you need those 12 words to regain access to your wallet. And that's where that last step, it was asking to recover your wallet using those words. So those words are like having the code to Fort Knox. Like if you had the code to Fort Knox, you don't give the code out to Fort Knox to anybody. This gives access to your wallet. So never, ever, 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 never give up your secret word phrases. This is including any type of MetaMask support. It's a scam. MetaMask will never contact you offering support for your wallet. Coinbase, any crypto platform, anybody that wants to contact you on social media, representing some kind of support, never give them your seed phrase. This is very important that you write these down. You do not take a picture of them. You do not keep them on your phone because it can be corrupted that way as well. People can gain access to your photos, and if they see your seed phrase, they can go download your wallet. So do not keep this on your phone. Write it down twice and store it in two different safe places, like at your house, and then maybe in a safety deposit box. That way, if your house burns down, you still have a set of words in your safety deposit box that you can use to recover your wallet. But it's very important not to ever, under no circumstances, do you share those words. So we're going to click I agree. It's going to ask you to agree to the terms of service, the long terms of service. We're going to accept this. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to create a password. You can also unlock this with your Face ID. This is not a password to gain access to your wallet. This is just a password to use the platform on this device. So this could be anything you want it to be, just to play with this. You can see I've got unlock Face ID selected. We're going to agree to this and we're going to create a password. And like I said, this is just a password to use the app on this device. And it's popped up. It says, do you want to allow MetaMask to use Face ID? Yep, that's cool with me. So I'm going to click the start button. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through this secure your wallet, secret recovery phrase. So once I start this process, it's going to give me those 12 words that I'm going to write down. I'm going to write them down twice. I'm going to make sure I got them right, and I'm going to keep them somewhere safe. Once again, do not screenshot this. It will record it on your phone somewhere in your iCloud, or if you're using a Google Android, it will store it somewhere in a cloud drive, and you do not want that because that is corruptible. So I'm going to hit the start button. It's going to usually prompt you for a password here, but it used my Face ID. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tap to reveal your secret recovery phrase. I'm going to click view. Now these would be the words that you would use. I'm not going to write these down. I'm going to totally discard this wallet and never use it, just for the fact that I'm making this video, and it would not be smart for me to put any kind of crypto in this wallet, because anybody that's viewed this now has these words and they can go recover this wallet with these words. So these are the 12 words you want to write down. Like I said, I recommend writing them down twice and keeping them in 2 separate places. So once you have those wrote down somewhere, I'm not writing them down, so we're probably going to have to stop at the next step where you confirm these words, because I'm not writing them down, but it's going to ask you to confirm 1 through 12 one by one. And like I said, what it's going to ask you to do is take these words. I remember that buyer was number 1. I can't remember the way. I think we had act. But what you would do is you're going to go through here and put these words in the order that you wrote them down. The numbers are important, so make sure you write them down exactly how it is when it comes up to you. You're going to put these words in, and we're going to get this totally wrong, but that's okay. And you can tell that it got a red box around it. It is not in the correct order, so it is not going to let me confirm the secret recovery phrase. Once you do that, what it's going to do is your wallet is going to open up for you.